Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to make dosa. Firstly, combine in a large bowl 2 cups of rice, a half cup urad dal and a half teaspoon of fungi seeds. Add cold water to cover, stir for 10 to 15 seconds, then drain, and repeat rinsing twice until the water runs mostly clear. Cover the mixture with about 4 inches of water and let it soak in a warm place around 75 Fahrenheit or 80 Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 hours, stirring once after this first hour. Now the rice and lentils should double in size when ready. Pour the soaked mixture through a fine strainer, reserving the soaking water, and work in 3 batches. Now add 2 half cups of the rice mixture to the blender and add 1 teaspoon salt, add a half cup of soaking liquid. Blend until smooth and thick, then add 1 to 2 tablespoons extra soaking water if needed. The batter should be smooth but slightly gritty to touch. Transfer to a large bowl and repeat for remaining mixture. If your blender is less powerful, make 6 smaller batches instead. Now add a quarter cup of the reserved soaking liquid to the batter and discard any leftover liquid. The batter should resemble thick pancake batter. It should fall from a whisk in a thick ribbon and leave a visible trail for about 10 seconds before sinking. Cover and keep the bowl in a warm spot for about 12 hours until it becomes slightly puffed, small bubbles from throughout, and it has a mildly sour aroma. After fermentation, thin the batter gradually with a quarter cup of water, a little at a time, until the consistency of slightly thick crepe batter. When you lift the ladle, it should pour off in a smooth ribbon and leave only a faint 1-second trail. Now heat a 10-inch cast iron or non-stick skillet over medium-high heat and lightly brush the surface. Drizzle about a half teaspoon of oil and cook until the bottom is golden and crisp, the edges lift easily and the top surface looks set about 2 minutes. And that's it.